was cleansing the world with all the negativity that's going on. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I really wanted to do a e-girl look. I've been seeing some looks on Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram. If you don't know what an e-girl is, it's pretty much a 2020 version of a goth slash like anime cosplay kind of look. The makeup is pretty much just foundation, faux freckles, sometimes they put like little hearts or stars, coloured eyeshadow, winged eyeliner, and just like a pouty lip. So I really want to do that, and I kind of want to do the hair look, sorry. I'm not going to bleach my hair though. I want to do it with makeup. I've been seeing some girls do it on TikTok, so I'm going to try and do it today. So if you want to keep watching, then let's jump into it. So the first thing we're going to do is I think I want to do the base first. So I'm going to start off with my primers. I'm going to use the Tatcha and the DIOR, and I'm going to mix these together and put them on my face. Put this on. I absolutely love this primer. It's amazing. So I'm going to use my beauty blender, and I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs foundation. It matches my tan. I actually used a new tan today. I used the Loving Tan 2 Hour Express, and I love it. But yeah, I'm just going to put my foundation on. This is really full coverage. I'm just going to put this on. So the next step, I'm going to contour first. I'm going to use this Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer on my cheekbone, my forehead. I want to be really sculpted and like, you know, and I got to make sure my nose is like looking really cute because they have really cute button noses. So I got a phone call before. My bloody chiropractor cancelled on me. And I was actually really looking forward to getting my neck snapped. It's actually a really good feeling when they do it, when they like snap your neck really nicely. Obviously you feel like you died, but you haven't. Like you think, oh, that's it, you're dead. Okay, I'm gonna put some concealer on this time. I'm gonna use Fair Light Neutral and Light Medium Honey. I like to use a pink tone because it brightens it up a bit more and counteracts any darkness that you have. Lately, all of my friends have been like, oh my god, what's going on in the world? Like, why do I feel like this? And I'm like, chill. The planets are in retrograde, and we're in Mercury retrograde as well, which is like one of the big ones. Well, it is to me anyway, but can you hear Wally snoring? Wallace, show them your new collar. Come show my friends. Come show my friends your sorry. Oh look, this is Wally. He got a new collar. It says Wally on it. And yeah, he's a King Charles Cavalier. He's my boy. Oh yeah, he's my boy. Wasn't I? So the other day I was talking to my cat, and why are cats so evil sometimes? Like, I was just talking to her about water, and she like got on the ground and like attacked my ankle, like to the point where I was actually bleeding, and I got so upset. Like I nearly cried because it hurt so much and it was so itchy for the rest of the day. Like, I love cats because they're like so savage and like, I don't know, they just don't put up with shit, and I love that attitude. But seriously though, that was a bit mean. I'm just gonna push this powder in lightly around my eyes. So I'm gonna start on my eyes now. I'm gonna start off with, I think I might use this as a transition shade in the Mario KKW palette. And I'm just going to lightly go back and forth just to deepen my crease a little bit. Did anyone watch 13 Reasons Why's new season? Oh my freaking god. I don't think I've cried that much in a very long time. So if you're gonna watch it, make sure you have a box of tissues with you. So I'm gonna use a bit of Sienna in this soft glam palette. It's like a burgundy shade. I'm just gonna put this in the outer corner with the same brush that I just used. And I'm gonna make it like a cat eye. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with Rustic in the soft glam palette. I'm just gonna go in with that outer corner again, and I'm just going to do circular motions to blend this. I've got like this blue eyeliner. I think I'm gonna do my water, put this in my waterline. This is the Mercury Retrograde. Put this shade on my brush, and I'm just gonna push this on my lower lash line. I might do gold glitch on the lid. I think I might put Super Moon actually in the inner corner. I hope you can see. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to do a wing. I think I kind of want to do a bit of black on the outer bit. Push it underneath. Wow, that eyeliner's on fleek. I'm kind of gonna do, because she has like really long lashes on the bottom, so kind of like the anime look. So I think I might do like a little bit of like some like feather lower lashes. I'm just gonna put some mascara on. I'm gonna use my Kevin Aucoin Volume Mascara. I remember in high school, one of my friends had like 6 mascaras that she would put on. Like, why would you want to put 6 mascaras on? Like, it just didn't make any sense. I'm gonna use TL4 in the Tatti Lashes. I've already worn these before, so they will sculpt to my eye really well. Stick these on, and I might do my eyebrows as well, and then I'll come back. So I just did my brows and I just stuck my lashes on. I brushed my brows up because I can see that they're like really fluffy in the pictures, so I just used a bit of pear soap. The best trick ever. Just get some pear soap from your supermarket. It does the same thing as gel. So the next step, I'm going to try and like contour my nose and my face. I'm going to use a bit of the Marc Jacobs, I think it's called Tantastic, and around my tip. Alright, I'm going to do the freckles now, my favourite bit. I'm going to use the shade Blonde. This is a brow pomade. I'm a bit nervous. I'm going to start my nose. Oh my god, I just like held my breath the entire time then. See, that kind of looks real, doesn't it? Now, blush. I've brought two blushes with me. I got New Romance and Petal Power. Paddle brush. I'm going to go in with the light one first. I'm going to go in with that other blush over top. This one's very pinky. I think I bring my Wet n Wild highlighter. This is like a gold shade. I'm just gonna put this on the tip of my nose and my cheekbones. Is a little bit of Strip Down by MAC, and I might use a little bit of 90s Icon from KKW. The actual pencil comes out, like, you'd think that they would have, I don't know, comparing to like MAC, like that never happens with MAC pencils. So they kind of have like a pouty look. I kind of just want to line a little bit over the bottom lip, top lip more defined. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Velvet Teddy by MAC. .5 nude. And then I'm gonna go in with a gloss. This is my favorite gloss at the moment. It's the Marc Jacobs, I think it's called, I think I lost the tag on it. Oh no, Sugar. It's like a lip, it's not like a lip gloss. Well, it is. It's like a lip shine thing. And then I'm gonna get my fixed parts. How cute is the packaging on this, by the way? I hope you can see that. It's really too bright. I'm gonna keep the packaging because it's so cool. Okay, I'm just gonna. Holy moly. Okay, for the hair, my dog just kicked me. I'm just gonna do, so I used to have a front fringe and this is how it's grown out. I'm going to, I think I'm just gonna do those bits because I know that girls do it all the way down, but I feel like I can get away with this. So I'm just gonna get a clip and get my other hair out of the way. Now I'm gonna get concealer. I'm nervous. Why am I nervous? So they put the concealer in first. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I hope this comes out. Okay. I'm gonna use this blue. I don't want to get on my face. I'm gonna get this blue. Hopefully it'll pick up. It's picking up. Oh my god. So cool. It's gonna be a bastard to get out though. I can already tell that. Did one side. I just need to oh my god, I just got on my face. I need to blow wave that, so I'm just gonna stick that there. I'm just gonna blend that root bit. This is the new me. Hi, my name's Taylor. I actually love it. It looks real. Like, I've dyed my hair. It's insane. I'd actually dye my hair like this. Oh my god. My mom's gonna freak. She's gonna think I actually dyed my hair. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what type of videos you'd like to see next. So come follow me on my social media. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. Come follow me on there. And yeah, please come subscribe to my channel if you want to see more looks. I'm just gonna walk around my house like this now. I love it. It's cool. Thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Decide to let you go.